It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2017 F-150 XLT in ingot silver, black sport cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a power sliding rear window, twin panel moonroof, and a lined box. 5-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4, and the sport designation on the side of the vehicle indicates that center console and the sport cloth seating, and it has many more features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside it. This is a 5-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. In the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, as is the passenger seat. All weather mats on the floor, and you have power pedals, lighting controls, and there's a running board and grab handle, just making it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, cruise control, as well as media with volume and hands-free dialing. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and the menu will come up as well. And we can go through that menu. So I'm just going to get in there, display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and they all have sub-menus. In the center is a little cubby, traction control, and hazard lights. Now we're looking at our display screen right now, and it's quite dark. So let's go to home. I'm just going to press on it at the top here. There we go. And we have our different options down at the bottom, and we can slide through for what we want. And we've got, I'm in settings right now. What I'm looking for is display. So let's touch on display and let's change it from night to day. And it's just going to take a second here. There we go. Now we have a better view. So in the settings, as I said, you can slide through, touch on things, and you can see that it has a sub menu. So you've got your Wi-Fi there, your phone, 911 assist, navigation, your clock, Bluetooth, and so forth. And then you can go into your audio, just touch on there. We'll turn down the volume. We'll go into our sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as CD and Bluetooth. Navigation, so the map will come up, and then you can choose your destination, go into there and choose where you want to go. We also will see our backup camera view here. So I'm putting the vehicle in reverse right off the bumper. There's your center line, green, yellow, red, just telling you how close you are to other objects or vehicles when going in reverse. So let's put us back into park. There you go. So again, just touch on the home button, and then you can see everything. And if you do want to dim out the screen, you can go back into settings, into display, and do that very easily. Volume and tuner, and there's your CD player. You've got your fan on, heated seats for both driver and passenger, your AC and max AC, and front and rear defrost. And then the cubby, you've got a couple of USB outlets, and then you can just press in the center here. There we go, and it'll close right up. You've got your 4x4 with locking differential and your Pro trailer backup, as well as integrated trailer brake controller. You have an automatic select shifter, and you've got tow haul and sport. So when you press that, it appears to the right of the odometer reading. There's tow haul, S for sport, and then click again, it'll go right off. And then you've got a couple of cup holders. Your armrest opens up, quite generous. You got a nice little bin. Down below, you've got an outlet, plug in and connect. We'll just close that up. You've got a 12 volt and a 110 there. And up top is where your auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder. You have a power sliding window in the rear, so that's what that's for. And you also have a twin panel moonroof. So both the screen and the moonroof are powered, and you just press the button and the screen is back there. So we can just make that go forwards or backwards as we wish. There's also a grab handle in the body, and you've got your 12 volt and 110 here off to the side, as well as a locking glove compartment. 18-inch wheels, black running board, body colored door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The sport badging, that tells you you've got the sport cloth interior with the center console, body colored tailgate handle. Just below it is where your backup camera is located, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. As well, you've got backup sensors on your bumper. When you're ready to open up the tailgate, you simply put your hand in the latch. You've got a nice line box with tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. And then when you're ready, close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Origin speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's a grab handle in the body and seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. Simply lift the seat with one hand and it's in the upright position. And there's a nice all-weather mat on the floor for easy cleanup, and then bring the seat down by simply pulling the tab. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats in this nice sport cloth material. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center a couple of cup holders, a 12-volt USB outlets. As well, you've got a 110 and air vents there. Twin panel moonroof. You've got hooks and lighting, and in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Body-colored bumper with backup sensors, 5.5-foot box that's lined, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.